I'm Judith Smith. We filmed a video on Thursday, March 7th, but it was corrupt and couldn't be uploaded to YouTube, so we had to come back. Today is Thursday, March 14th, and just show you the progress that we showed you on March 7th. The cabinets, which is our new cabinetry source, were delivered on time, not damaged, had a very good experience, and our installer has installed them in a day. Now these get lower and upper cabinets. The upper cabinets rest on the countertop, so the countertop has to go in first, and it's going in on Tuesday, March 19th. The floors of basements are foundation floors and are not completely level. And you need to have someone who knows what they're doing about installing cabinetry, install the cabinetry so that they're very level. If you don't, when they come out to do the granite and template the granite, they say these cabinets are not level, we cannot install the granite, you've got to get the cabinetry installer back out here. You don't want that. As you can see, these cabinets are all dead level. Dead level. Dead level. So since we made our last video, the floor has gone in. You just want to show the floor and the shoe molding. And as you can see, the stairs match the floor, and it came out very well. And in here are the upper cabinets that are going to be installed. All of the trim has been installed, and all of the joints, as you can see, are super tight, and everything is installed level and even and beautifully done. So what we have going on now is the paint's been done, the floor's been done, the trim's been done, the electrical has been trimmed out, the HVAC has been trimmed out, the countertops go in March 19th, and then the next day we will have the cabinetry installed, the trim adjusted at the top of the wall here, because there's going to be crown mold on the cabinets, and we'll then install the vanity sink, and then we'll do the plumbing, and we will be done in less than 8 weeks on a job that added cabinetry, flooring, paint, tile, so on and so forth. Thank you.